Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome back to Beth Does Beauty. It's the 4th of December, which means we are on to day number 4 on the Lookfantastic advent calendar. So without waffling on any further, we're just gonna get stuck right in. Oh, door number 4 is a big one. I have no idea. I thought they were straws at first because of the curve at the top, but it's just the way the wrapping paper is. I have no idea, like a lip pencil or something, or eyeliner. I was so wrong. Okay, so this is a Luxie 121 mini tapered brush. That feels very soft. I love the elegant like rose gold and like cream shimmery white look to the brush. So I wonder what this brush is then. This is a Luxie 141 mini round brush. So that would be really good for smudging like the outer corner so that you can get a really good smoky eye. I have never heard of Luxie Beauty before, but the brushes feel really good quality. They look really elegant with the white cream theme and then into the ferrule, which is a rose gold colour, and then the brush bristles feel really good quality, synthetic but very, very, very soft. So I feel like the Lookfantastic box is aiming to make you look and feel fantastic, in a sense of it's giving you your base, so your skincare with the Caudalie toner from day 3. You've got your look, which is from the Morphe palette on day number 1, and the brushes today for day number 4, and then you've got the hair styling product from day number 2, which obviously is to pull that look together. Already I'm seeing a theme here. I feel like we're trying to build up into this idea of creating a look from an advent calendar over 25 days, and I am here for it. Let's have a look at what the information leaflet says. Luxie 121 and 141. Create stunning eye makeup with these ergonomically designed expert eye tools. Effortlessly apply makeup with these premium soft synthetic brushes. I can absolutely attest to the fact that these are very, very soft and they feel incredibly good quality. As always, thank you guys for watching. You made it to day number 4. Tune back in tomorrow for day number 5 when I unbox the 5th of December, and we'll see if there's any more looks that we can create or if I'm right on track with the theme that I think the Lookfantastic box is going with. Thank you for watching and I will see you tomorrow.